What's up, guys? Joe with JC Tonnotti. We're here to go through the final stages of 25 Delahunty Drive. As you can see behind us, we have the 2,500 square foot ranch fully done on the exterior. Windows, siding, roofing, doors, everything maintenance free now. And this is the 1958, this was a custom built ranch for a personal friend that is a doctor. And we took everything and we made it 2025 generation. As you can see, the maintenance-free exterior with the vinyl siding, seamless gutters, new Harvey windows, and Harvey entry door. It is now brought up to date to code, and everything is maintenance-free.
It's been such a privilege to watch this project take place. I get to order all the products, so seeing this project from beginning to end is always such a pleasure. We've done multiple projects at JC Tonnotti, taking an older home and just giving it the JC Tonnotti love to bring it up to today's speed and making it modern and maintenance-free. Another JC Tonnotti project is now complete. Somebody is going to be so lucky to buy this beautiful home. And stay tuned, because this Sunday, April 6th, there will be an open house from 11 to 1, so make sure you come by.
And if you're anybody that would love to have a home restored, let JC Tonnotti help you. Roofing, siding, windows, and doors. We can help you take your home and bring it to the modern day.